fucking Winter Fresh, bruh.
Awesome beat.
I wrote this shit down for all the motherfuckers out there talking shit, my nigga. All them bitches that ain't jocking on me. I'll see you next week, though. Pussy niggas couldn't handle what I see in a week, bro. Grow my own marijuana, fly it overseas, ho. Racking up my G's while I'm steady catching Z's. All my bitches are disease free. Call me Mr. Clean Freak. Winning, that's a streak. All you learning is defeat. While I'm learning of my keep, got the key to my streets. I unlock, hold a Glock for them boys that like to talk. Many AK spray, call that bitch Young Chop. And if you looking for some work, take a step in my shop. Push your weight up on my block, now you hearing them shots. Never cook my own dinner, but I keep a big pot. Check my sock, boy, I got a couple grams of that rock. Now I'm sitting on the mountain laughing at them who doubt me, cause Double D bend the range. And my lungs stay cloudy, I'm incognito, stack of Doritos, nigga, not your cheese. And if your bitch is on her knees, guarantee she sucking me. Never gave a motherfuck, yeah, I speak obscene. Don't mean to seem like an OG, bruh, I'm just 19. By the time I'm 21, swear I'll be the king. Step in the ring with me, put your ass to sleep, I'm gone. Hold up, let that shit play through a little bit, my nigga.